Hello, today we have an iPhone 11 Pro Max that it was water damaged. Now we will have to replace the screen, and we also want to keep the truetone on, and we want to avoid the message, that non-genuine screen was installed on the phone. So we will have to copy the data for the truetone, which is on the touch flex here, and we will have to swap this chip on a new screen. We have here a new screen. We have an iPhone 11 Pro Max, brand new screen, as you can see here. So now we will start with the truetone, and then we will swap the, we will change over the chip. The original, we will move it instead this one. So yeah, let's do it. We have here the programmer. Here is the programmer. It's turn it on. So we're gonna just install the touchscreen connector. Okay, so it is detected. Yeah, as you can see, so it's not focusing properly. Anyway, we will just press reading. Reading was okay, and it was saved to the file number 002. Okay. We will disconnect this and connect the new one. Okay, we have the new screen here. Okay, and now we will write. Yes. Hi. Yeah, so the data was written to the new screen. Okay. And that's it. We don't need this anymore, so we're going to turn it off. Probably just have to press. Okay. And now, yeah, what do we need more? We need to change this IC. All right, so now we will remove the IC from the new screen. So we make space for the original IC that is coming from the water damage screen. Yeah. So carefully now we will insert the blade to protect the LCD. Probably lift a little bit of flex. Have to be very careful not to touch the flex. Yeah, so the blade is properly inserted. Let's switch under the microscope. Thing looks okay here. You see? Now let's quickly So we will remove this IC very quickly. I'm using 320 degrees. Okay. Now we just make this ready for putting. Okay, so the parts. Right. Yep. So the parts are perfectly. Take the original IC. Just a moment. Remove all the glue. Just clean up the IC. We remove the glue from the IC. Let me see if I can find some. Hi. So let's remove the glue. Cum îl cheamă? Stai o leacă. Better to use the soldering iron with some flux. and with some wick, so we do it quicker. It's just to save the life of the tips on soldering iron. If you're cleaning too much glue with the soldering iron tip, it will probably, break. But and then we're gonna reball. Hi. All right, Walna? How are you?
Good and you?
Good, good.
I have